Okay, today we're going to talk about the Changelog feature in MantisHub. This is part of our project management toolset and it's related to your project versions. So what it will do is it will show issues that have been resolved within a specific version or release within your system. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you actually have versions created in your project. Until you have versions created, you will not see any of the version related fields. So to create versions, you just head to Manage, Projects, and select your relevant project. You'll see there's a Versions tab here, and you can see we already have some versions created. Just click the Create button, give it a name if you do want to create some new ones. And so we're ready to go. So what we need to do for our issue to appear in the changelog, there are 3 criteria that we need to meet. And the first thing we need to do is make sure that it's actually in a resolved status. So we need to change it to a resolved status. The second thing we need to do is make sure the resolution is set to fixed. If we pick any of these other options, then it won't actually appear in the changelog. It must be resolved, it must be fixed. And the last criteria is that we need to have set a fixed in version. So we need to pick one of those from our versions there. Note that only non-released versions will appear here. And then we just resolve the issue. And now we can see in our changelog that that's appeared there. We can do that again for another issue. We have to make sure that it is resolved, that the resolution is fixed, and we want to set a fixed in version. So once we're in the changelog, we can see a lovely list of our issues that have been resolved for this particular version. We can share a link to that list with any of our users. So that will copy a link for you. You can also go straight to the version configuration, so you can update that if you need to. Maybe now that everything's been fixed, you want to put it in a released status, so you can do that there. And the last thing you can do is expand this list out into your issues page. This allows you to take some other actions on your changelog list. You can export it if you like. Perhaps you want to now close them all in one big bulk action now that they've been resolved.